Something that might surprise you. Over 36% of home sales run into delays because of inspection-related issues, according to NAR. And that's a big deal, whether you're buying or selling a home. So today I want to take a look at the three types of inspections: seller-procured inspections, buyer home inspections, and finally bank inspections or appraisal. First, if you enjoy this content, could you like the video and subscribe to our channel? Thank you. Each inspection plays a unique role, and understanding them can save us a ton of stress, especially in a competitive market. So let's take a look. First, seller procured inspections. This one isn't exactly standard practice yet, but it's getting traction in our market because buyers move fast. A seller procured inspection is when the seller hires a licensed inspector to evaluate their home before it's listed. So something to keep in mind here is that if something does pop up, we will be required to put it on the seller disclosure. So why do this? Well, it gives sellers a chance to find and fix issues before buyers even see the property, so you get ahead of the game. For example, let's say you have a seller in Ballard and they did a pre-listing inspection and it revealed outdated electrical panel. So they replace it, and now the home gets multiple offers within days, several over asking price, and one of them even waives their inspection. Yay! By addressing issues up front, sellers can avoid surprises. They build trust with the buyers, and sometimes they even speed up the sale. It's not always the best game plan, but it can be a game changer. Now, let's talk about buyers' home inspections. These are much more common. After your offer is accepted, you typically arrange a home inspector of your choosing to check out the property's condition, things like the roof, plumbing, and HVAC system, but also light switches, appliances, and even caulking. This step is crucial because it helps you understand exactly what you're buying. But here's where it gets tricky. In competitive markets, it's not uncommon for buyers to waive their home inspection to make their offer more attractive. Just know that skipping an inspection is risky. If you're in a situation where waiving the inspection feels necessary, there is another option. It's called a pre-inspection. A pre-inspection is a kind of home inspection light that the buyer does before making the offer. It's quicker, it gives less detail, but it gives you enough information to make an informed decision. And if the seller has already done a pre-listing inspection, you can use that as a guide as well. Just make sure that you trust the source. All right, now let's take a look at appraisals. Unlike inspections, appraisals aren't about the home's condition, they're about the value. So if you're using a mortgage or getting a loan, you're going to need an appraisal to ensure the home is worth the amount that you're borrowing. Now let's just say that we offer $50,000 over asking price to beat out other buyers. If the appraisal comes in lower than your offer, well, now we have a problem. We might need to renegotiate with the seller, we could pay the difference, or we can just back out if we have an appraisal contingency. Appraisals are safeguards for everybody involved. They protect the buyers from overpaying, they give lenders confidence, and they help the seller set realistic expectations. Who benefits from all these inspections? Well, the seller benefits from the pre-listing inspection because they avoid surprises and make their home more attractive to buyers. Buyers benefit from inspections and pre-inspections because they get that peace of mind and a clearer picture of what they're buying. And lenders rely on appraisals to reduce financial risk. At the end of the day, these steps are about creating transparency and protecting everyone involved in the transaction. All right, I hope you have a better understanding of the different inspections involved in home buying and home selling. And let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.